If you never use your sandwich maker and it's just collecting dust in the kitchen, try out this recipe, and there's so many other ways that you can use a sandwich maker. I'm a huge lover when it comes to sandwiches because they're always easy and quick to prepare, not forgetting very delicious. This sandwich is worth trying because it's crispy on the outside, filled with some delicious brawn on the inside, together with some cheese, and let's not forget, it's just perfect. To make this sandwich, you're going to need a sandwich maker, and for this recipe I'm going to be using only 4 ingredients, and the outcome is going to be delish. To get started, you're going to butter your bread. So I'm going to pick a slice of my bread and spread some butter. You can also use some margarine. Once done, I'm going to flip my bread, pick another slice of bread and repeat. My kids absolutely love sandwiches because within a short period of time you can make a sandwich and enjoy as you wait for your lunch or dinner. You're going to switch on your sandwich maker, and as the sandwich maker is getting hot, you're going to butter your bread. I'm going to place in my bread with the side that I buttered. Place in some brawn on top. Mozzarella cheese. You can also use any cheese that you have in the house. The other slices of bread and lock your sandwich maker and wait for the magic to happen. When the sandwich is ready, the lights are going to be both orange and green. So let's wait. My sandwiches are ready, and you can notice that the cheese is also bubbling. Oh my, this is going to be very delicious. So I'm going to use a butter knife, transfer to my chopping board, and using a sharp knife, I'm going to cut my sandwiches in half, just like that. Nice. My sandwiches have turned out very crispy on the outside. Listen to that. And they're filled with goodness. So this recipe is worth trying. I love making my sandwiches this way, especially in the morning, and enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. Also, my kids, as I've said, love sandwiches. They can snack on this any day, anytime. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy sandwich recipe that's just perfect.